Want to switch Alexa's language from English to Spanish? It's really simple and you can do it in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in your Alexa device quickly and easily. So let's jump right into it. Before doing anything else, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. After that, try to follow the steps. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap your Echo device name. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on language. Here you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll down. Select Español for Spanish. Then tap OK. Again, tap OK. And it's switched to Spanish. And that's how you can change Alexa's language from English to Spanish. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.